November is being observed as Diabetes Awareness Month, and the Diabetes Association of Jamaica is reporting a significant increase in diabetes complications since the COVID-19 pandemic at its clinic. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the Health Report.
Since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Diabetes Association of Jamaica says there's been an 80% drop in the attendance of diabetics needing regular care. Consultant endocrinologist Professor Errol Morrison, who specializes in diabetes care, believes this is due to fear of contracting the coronavirus.
We're seeing an increase in foot sores, poor circulation, what we call peripheral vascular insufficiency is just a big term for saying bad circulation. And we're seeing it at feet where they get numbness, pins and needles, cramps. It gets severe. And that is almost like a window to the rest of the body.
But interestingly, 42% of Jamaicans who have died from COVID-19 had diabetes. That data was released by the Ministry of Health last week. Professor Morrison says oftentimes diabetics who develop complications can have further problems, including strokes, heart attacks, and kidney failure. He's also of the view that more Jamaicans are diabetic than the number reflected in the data, which points to 1 in 8 of the adult population getting the disease.
We are predicting, based on the trends over the years, we're looking at a significant increase. In fact, they're saying by the year 2030, looking at it from 2010, that we are expecting somewhere near 45–50% increase in diabetes in the Caribbean countries. So I can confidently say we should be seeing, if another survey were to be done now, we should be seeing an increase over the 12% that is, being referred to at this time.
He's urging diabetics to take greater care of themselves.
Diabetics should do regular checkups with his or her medical doctor and monitor their diabetes at home. And if you are not yet vaccinated, you need to speak to your healthcare provider and do so as soon as possible. With our Health Report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.